If you are looking for ways to level up presentations and discussions, then VoiceThread may be just the solution you need. VoiceThread is a versatile media player, allowing both students and instructors to upload various media types like pictures, images, text, documents, and then students and instructors can add audio recordings or typed comments and webcam videos to hold discussions about that media, or to make lectures and presentations more accessible and engaging. Let's take a look at it in action. In my VoiceThread account, I can create new VoiceThreads to share with others and view VoiceThreads from the past. In this VoiceThread sample, I made a presentation for students and recorded narration over the slides. Then I asked students to comment on certain aspects of the different presentation slides. So here you can see different students have made comments. For each comment that a student makes, I can, or their peers can, reply to them and start a threaded conversation or reply privately to those students. Students can also add new comments independent of replying to others, and they can add again text, audio narration, or webcam images. They can also take a look at all of the slides and then add their own individual content if that has been set up for them by an instructor. VoiceThread integrates with Moodle, which is a real game changer. It simplifies student account creation, allows grading within Moodle, and offers various interaction levels to expect students to do, all the way from simply viewing or in a watch assignment, adding comments and adding slides to an existing VoiceThread, or actually creating a VoiceThread on their own to do a student presentation. Let's explore some practical scenarios with VoiceThread. Imagine transforming a standard Moodle discussion forum into a vibrant VoiceThread community. Here, an instructor added a single image of a book cover, used their webcam to record a discussion starter comment, and then students could engage dynamically, using various media like audio recordings and video recordings to respond and interact. VoiceThread allows for interactive lectures too. You can create a slideshow in PowerPoint or Google Slides, and then record comments or really narration over each slide for the students to listen to. While viewing, students can then ask time-stamped questions, enhancing their online learning experience. Comment annotation and doodling can also be recorded while commenting. In a future semester, if I want to make a small change to my lecture, I can replace just one recording or one image or slide in the whole overall presentation, and it will be much easier and more efficient than needing to do a whole new video. It's a great time saver. Using VoiceThread for student presentations saves class time if you're teaching a face-to-face course, and it can also reduce student anxiety in a presentation. Instructors can enable a student gallery so that students can view each other's presentations and comment on them. If you are ready to dive in with students, consider setting up a low-stakes introduction assignment so that students introduce themselves to each other using VoiceThread. Directions for how to set up this type of assignment are in the description of this video. If you're ready to jump in and are looking for more detailed tutorials and ideas on getting started, you can check out the VoiceThread Instructor Guide, available in our Moodle training course and on some of our additional Delta resources. If you'd like more step-by-step video instructions, you can access a recorded workshop or join us for a live VoiceThread workshop. If you are ready to level up your presentations and class discussions, then check out VoiceThread, a powerful tool for building classroom community and enhancing student voice and learning in a face-to-face and in an online course.